welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new, welcome. It's good to see you here. My name is Ego. I'm a law student, lifestyle blogger, and YouTuber. So before we get into today's video, I just want to say make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you never miss a video. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, for today's video, we're going to have a Shein, I don't know how to pronounce it. Let me know in the comments down below, please. We're gonna have a unboxing unboxing haul. I'm getting really tongue twisted today, but it's not gonna be a try on haul. I'm just gonna unbox my package and show it to you. I'm actually re-recording this video because the first time I recorded it, I dropped one of the shirts and I spent a good 5 minutes talking about how I don't know where the shirt is. Did I receive it? Like, do I need to email Shein, whatever the case may be. So I'm just re-recording it, so the package will be open and the stuff will be out of the bag that it comes in, but I will show you the bag that it comes in. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing haul. So because like I said before, the package is already open, I'm just gonna show it to you guys real quickly. That's the package it came in. Normally when I ordered from Shein, it came in a box, but I guess because I ordered less this time, it came in this little bag right here. But since it's not a try on haul, I'm just gonna show you over here what the outfits look like on. So I'm gonna pull pictures from Shein and show you the fits. Okay, so let's get into the first item. So before we get into the first item, I just wanna show you guys what the stuff actually comes in. So it comes in a little bag like this that says Shein, and it zips open and close. So let's get into the first item. Okay, so the first item we have here is just this striped dress, as you can see. And it has this tie right here. I think this dress is very cute. It's really a perfect summer dress or a casual Friday dress in an office. Something like this I would definitely wear with like a pair of sandals or something. Probably not heels just because the way it is. But yeah, let's get into the next item. Ooh, va boom, va va. So this is just a cute little top. You know, your chest goes here, and then there's a little opening right here, and then there's actually some ties, as you can see with the picture. I think this top is very cute with a pair of high-waisted shorts. That'd be super cute in the summer or in the fall as the seasons are changing. I think this would be very cute with some high-waisted jeans. But overall, definitely a high-waisted fit, period. So this is actually the shirt I dropped in the previous video, but this is just a little cute top, and it goes, so it's a cord set, and it goes, so I showed the skirt. When I previously recorded this video, I showed the skirt, but I could not find the top, and I was so frantic. But I found it as soon as I was recording. It was on the ground next to me. I dropped it. But yeah, so this is just the skirt. It has a cute little slit right here, as you can see. And then the front, I'm gonna zoom in for you guys, is like that. So I think this is super cute. Something like this I'd wear with a pair of sandals or like strapped up heels that go like maybe to the knee. I think that'd be a look. So let's go to the next item. I think I got about 9 things. So the next item is just this little tie top. I love tie tops because they're super simple and a quick thing to grab when you're going out. So it's this nice like neutral color. It's a long sleeve, and then here are the ties. Simple, something cute to just throw on. And then the next item, all right, got some bags everywhere. What is this? Okay, just some biker shorts. I love biker shorts, but these I'd probably like wear to run errands or something because they don't feel like a dry fit material. And working out in anything but dry fit, no go. I do not want to feel that sweat on my body. Just a cute, simple pair of biker shorts. All right, the next item, ooh, it's just this little number right here. It's a little dress. It has, I don't know what you would call these, ruffle details? Pleats? So, I believe this is the back of the dress. Okay, this is the back. And then this is the front. It ties. As you can kind of see better with the image. Obviously, I'm not going to tie it because I'll be tying in the air, but it just has these 2 ties right here that you tie. I think this dress is very, very cute. If we have any bit of summer, this will be a look. Like, I can see that cute, like, slaying, nice long wig like I have on now with some volume, some body, and like on a boat or something. I think that'd be so freaking cute. Okay, the next thing, this is a simple top to like go out with. Has this little cutout here and then a cutout in the bottom. So it's just a simple black top. Something quick to grab when going out. I like to have little tops like that for going out just because it's so easy to make a cute little look out of it. Okay, this is probably one of my favorite things I bought. This is just a little top with a zipper detail. So there's a zipper up top, as you can see, and a zipper on bottom, if I can find it. Zipper on bottom, and it does zip. So you can zip it, let me just show you. So you can zip it like obviously like that, or you can zip it up. So it's like, I feel like this is very in vogue right now, very in like the tops with like the split and open on the bottom. So I went and grabbed me one. And I really like that this one is a zipper, so you can wear it all the way zipped if you so please. Or you can go for the Dramaticas and wear it unzipped. I think this is actually my last item. Yep, it's a pair of leggings. I've never gotten leggings from Shein, so hopefully these are good. They have a good stretch to them. I like a nice stretchy legging. I wouldn't work out in these either because they're not dry fit, but these are good for like running errands and stuff, lounging. So yeah, those are all the items I got. I usually don't try on clothes until right before I wear them. It's such a bad habit, but I will consider recording a try on haul for this. Usually everything I've bought from Shein, whatever the case may be, whatever it is, typically fits. I really like on their website, they have detailed descriptions. I'll insert a clip right here and you really get a feel of, okay, will this fit me? Like, I might be pushing it, buying it. So I really like that. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a try on haul. If there is enough comments, I will record a try on haul and have that for you guys next week, or at worst case scenario, I'll have it on my IGTV. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, now's the time. Pause this video and go follow me on Instagram and come right back to it. I'll put my handle right here at As Told by Ego, just like my YouTube channel. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing haul. Let me know in the comments down below if you have shopped at Shein/Shein. Please tell me how you pronounce it in the comments down below. Like, I can't go around saying, is it Shein or Shein? I need to know. So let me know. And let me know if you shop there, how you like the store, what other stores you like to shop at. Thank you for watching as always. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.